If you think creatine is just for bodybuilders, you're definitely not alone. A lot of women hear creatine and instantly picture bulky muscles, but honestly, the truth is way more exciting. What if this one supplement could actually be the key to unlocking more energy, a sharper mind, and finally seeing the results of all your hard work at the gym? Stick around until the end, because today we're giving you the complete guide to creatine for women, covering the proven benefits, the best form to take, and exactly how to use it for maximum results. Before we dive in, do us a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button and like this video right now. It really helps us keep making content just for you. Alright, let's start with the benefits that truly resonate with a woman's busy, active life. First and foremost, creatine is a game changer for your fitness. Here's the deal. It works by replenishing your muscles' primary energy source, ATP. Think of it like giving your muscles a bigger, faster charging battery. This means that during your workouts, you can squeeze out 1 or 2 extra high-quality reps with weights, maintain your power output during a HIIT class, or hold that tough yoga pose just a bit longer. Over time, this extra effort adds up, leading to more defined muscles, increased strength, and a metabolism that's running on overdrive. But the perks don't stop there. For the woman balancing a career, family, and everything else, mental clarity is key. Your brain is a power-hungry organ, and creatine acts like a backup power source for your cognitive functions. Many women report big improvements in focus, memory, and the ability to push through that afternoon mental fog, making it a real game changer for both your workday and daily tasks. Plus, creatine supports cellular energy throughout your whole body, helping to fight off that constant feeling of fatigue, so you can enjoy more sustained energy from morning to night. For our vegan and vegetarian friends, this is especially important. Since creatine mainly comes from meat and fish, supplementing ensures you have enough to experience all the benefits, from physical strength to mental sharpness. Now, with all the different types of creatine out there, which one should you pick? The winner is clear: creatine monohydrate. It's been backed by decades of scientific research and is the form used in almost all studies, proving its effectiveness and safety, especially for women. You might see some alternatives, like creatine HCl or ethyl ester, claiming to be better absorbed. But the truth is, creatine monohydrate is the gold standard. It's not only super effective, but it's also one of the most affordable supplements you can get. You don't need anything complicated or expensive to see results. When choosing a brand, the key is purity. Look for products certified by third-party labs, like Informed Choice or NSF. This ensures that what's on the label is exactly what's in the product, and that it's free from contaminants or fillers. That way, you can have total peace of mind. So, how do you add creatine to your daily routine? It's simple. Forget about the loading phase. That's an outdated method that can cause bloating and isn't necessary. The best approach is to take a daily maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams. To make it super easy, just mix 1 small scoop, about 1 level teaspoon, into your favorite cold or room temperature drink. It dissolves easily and is almost tasteless, so it's perfect for your morning smoothie, post-workout protein shake, a glass of juice, or even your coffee. The timing isn't crucial. What matters most is consistency. Take it every day, whether you're crushing a workout or having a rest day, to keep your muscles' creatine levels topped up so your body can get the full benefits. And here's a pro tip. Creatine pulls water into your muscle cells, so make sure to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day will boost the effectiveness of the supplement and help you feel your absolute best. Now you know all the essentials. All that's left to do is take that first scoop and let your body work its magic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.